Namaste children, this is your ABS class and I'm your Anupam ma'am. We have completed 4 chapters and today we are going to study about birds' beaks and claws. In class 3, we have already learnt about birds, their special features and nesting habits. In this class, we will learn about their feeding habits, means how they eat their foods. Do you know they use their beaks and claws to catch and eat the food? They also use them to protect themselves from their enemies. So all about their beaks and claws we are going to study in this chapter. First of all, we should know that what are the function of beaks and why their beaks and claws are so important for them. They do not have teeth. Like us, they don't have teeth, so they use their beaks to tear, bite, chisel and crush the food. Birds eat different foods. Some eat flesh and some eat grains, seeds and fruits. So the shape of the beak is according to their food habits. If they eat seeds, the shape of the beak is hard and crushing type. If they used to eat meat and flesh, so that type of beak they have. So one by one we will study types of beaks. Another important function of their beak is they use to fight the enemy and catch the prey with the beak. Have you ever watched birds fighting? You can see while birds are fighting together, they use their beaks and claws to harm each other. Because they don't have legs, they don't have hands, so they use their beaks and claws only. They also use it for preening their feathers. Preening. Have you ever heard the word preening? I think no. Let's see what is preening. Student, preening means to clean the feathers and set them right. You know, birds have beautiful feathers, but only having beautiful feather is not enough. They also need to clean their feather and set them right to look more beautiful. Like we use to comb our hair, we take bath to look clean and tidy. We use comb for combing our hair, so they don't have comb. उनके पास कंघी तो नहीं होती, so they use to comb their feathers. So they use their beaks to clean the feathers and set them. So the process of cleaning the feathers and setting them right is called preening. What is preening? Preening. Preening. Preening means cleaning the process of cleaning the feathers and set them right. And why they use? So preening helps in removing the damaged hair and cleaning the feathers. So let's see types of beaks. First is crushing beak. Birds like sparrow, pigeon, peacock and finches have crushing beaks. These beaks are short and hard and horny too. They used to crush the seeds and grains and thereby make them soft before eating. So pigeon, sparrow, peacock have crushing beaks. Next type of beak is curved beak. You can see here parrot have curved beak. Parrot and cockatoos have curved beak. Here in white picture, a white bird is here. It is cockatoo. It is cockatoo. Okay. A curved beak help them to break nuts, seeds and fruits, because parrots used to eat nuts and fruits, so they have red curved beak. Parrot has also a special feature. Do you know which feature is this? Yes, they can easily imitate our voice. Imitate means nakal karna. Parrot can imitate your voice. If you say something before parrot, they can easily imitate or learn to imitate. They used to learn whatever you see before the parrot. They used to learn. They can easily. A parrot is a very intelligent bird. The next type of beak is piercing and tearing beak. Some birds like eagle and vulture eat flesh. So they used to have strong, hard and curved beak that help them to tear the flesh because flesh are very hard. So flesh eating birds have piercing and tearing beaks. This is a picture of hawk. You can see first picture is of hawk and second is owl. Hawk, owl, vulture, eagle have piercing and tearing beaks, and their beak is very strong so that they can easily pierce and tear the flesh. There are some birds like crows and hens have beaks that help them to eat a variety of foods like meat, fruits, grains and insects, because they have such type of beak that they can use to eat everything. Either it is fruits or grains or insects or meat. So let's revise once. Today we have studied about function of beaks. What is the function of beak? Birds used to tear, bite, chisel and crush the food with the help of beaks. They use their beak to fight the enemy or catch the prey. Enemy means दुश्मन. दुश्मन से fight करने में and catch the prey. Prey means शिकार. शिकार पकड़ने में, to catch the prey. They also use it for preening their feathers. Preening means to clean the feathers and set them right. These are the function of beaks, and different types of beaks we have studied today. Those are crushing beaks. So which birds have crushing beaks? Sparrow, pigeon and parrot have crushing beaks. Next is curved beaks. So parrot also have curved beaks. Third is piercing beaks. Piercing and tearing beaks. So eagle, vulture, hawk have piercing and tearing beak. So that's it for today, student. There is an assignment for you. Make a list of different more birds which have crushing beaks, curved beaks and piercing and tearing beaks, and try to watch this video repeatedly so that you have a clear concept of types of beaks and their function. Thank you so much. See you in next class.